Alright, hi students, welcome. Now I want you to take notice of these two words here. They're very, very important when it comes to math. Now this first word, we all know it, formula. This second word, we know it as well, it's formulae. Both are related. What's the difference? Formula is a singular word, singular, and formulae is plural. But what is a formula? All right. Now, I know you know what a formula is. And the reason why we have to look at this word is because you're going to use it a lot in math. You have started to use them already. But I realize that sometimes we forget what the word means. So never forget, a formula is really a statement. If you take off, it's a statement that tells us what we need to do in a general case. All right. So if you take off the word EULA, what do you get? Good. Form. And what do you normally do with form? You complete it. Very good. So a formula is a statement that we use. We use it to get an answer to normally something that is mathematically. All right, mathematical. And what I mean by mathematical is you might end up getting a value, right? A number. So what do you do with forms? We said you fill it in. Good. So similarly, when you have a formula, you fill in things. You fill in most it's what? Numbers, right? And why am I talking about formula? Because I want you to understand that when it comes to some calculations that we are going to look at and that we have looked at so far in grade 10, you will use a lot of formulae, right? Many formulae. So here we go. We have looked at some calculations so far in our math classes, true? We have looked at how to calculate profit and loss, which is the money. We have also looked at how to calculate profit percentage and loss percentage. So profit percentage and loss percentage. And we have also looked at how to calculate selling price and cost price. Now, students, what happens now for us when it comes to formula and formulae is that we get these formulae to help make our lives much easier. So when it comes to doing all of these calculations, we can use formulae to help us. We can use formulae to help us. So join me in the next video where we can look a little bit more at all of these formulae.